back to my channel. I am Muskan and I hope you all are doing great. So if you're watching my video for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the prior notification. So in today's video, I'll be sharing the review and what things I have got in my MyGlam beauty box. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. Let's get started. This is the MyGlam makeup beauty box which I have received from MyGlam, and in this I have received one highlighter duo from MyGlam Poses, one eyeshadow, two lipsticks, one eyeliner, the another one is eyeliner and eyebrow powder, and the nail paint. So these all are the stuffs which I have received from MyGlam beauty box. So this is the first product, MyGlam Poses HD highlighter duo. So this is how the packaging looks. It comes in a box like this. So basically it's a duo highlighter which comes in two shades, and the name of the shade is Highlight 001 Rose Gold. And if we talk about the price is 699 rupees only, and the net quantity which you'll be getting is 9 gram. So let me apply the lighter shade for you. So this is how this shade looks, and the darker shade on my another cheek. So this shade has a golden effect, a copper type effect. So these are the both shades. So this is the first product which I have received in my MyGlam beauty box. Second product which I have received in my MyGlam beauty box is this MyGlam Powder Magic Powder Eyeshadow Stick and Liner. So this is the packaging of this eyeshadow pencil. And this is how the product looks. Nice eyeshadow, you can easily apply it, it is easily blendable, and you can precisely give the shapes to your upper eyelid, and you can easily apply it on your lower eyeline. And if we talk about the price is 950 rupees. It comes in many shades. The shade which I am using is a smoky quartz, and the quantity which you will be getting is 1.15 gram. The third product which I have received in my MyGlam beauty box is this eyeliner, MyGlam Wheelie Eyeliner and Stylist. So this is how the packaging looks. Brush of this eyeliner is different from the other eyeliners. It comes in a wheel brush like this. And if we talk about the price of this eyeliner, so the price is 895 rupees, and the shade is Dramatic, and the quantity which you will be getting is 1 ml. So this is how the eyeliner looks. Let me apply. I like the thickness and the brush of this eyeliner because this is something which I'm trying for the very first time. You can easily give the wing shape to your eyes, and you can easily apply the eyeliner through this brush. So if you want to buy this eyeliner, just go for it. This is very nice. Fourth product which I have received in my MyGlam beauty box is this MyGlam Stay Defined Liquid Eyeliner plus HD Brow Powder. And if we talk about the price is 1095, and the shade is Walnut and Ebony. The quantity which you will be getting is liner 2.8 ml and brow powder is 1 gram. So this is how the packaging looks. So it's a 2-in-1 product. This side I have a brow powder. And this side I have a liner. of this brush, you can easily create that catty eyes eyeliner look. So I'll create it for you. Here I have created this cat eye look with the help of this brush. So if you want to buy this product, you can just go for it, because this is also very nice, like different from the other eyeliner. The product which I have received in my MyGlam beauty box is this lipstick in the shade UM11 Showgirl. The price is 699 rupees and the net quantity which you'll be getting is 1.3 gram. So this is how the packaging looks. I like the cover. I like the color of this cover. This is the lipstick shade. This is how the shade looks. Lipsticks give a natural pink color to your lips, and if we talk about the quality, it is a long lasting lipstick which gives a matte finish to your lips, and it has a creamy texture which will not dry your lips. So this is how the color looks on your face. The sixth product which I have received in my MyGlam beauty box. This is MyGlam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 08 Slow Fade, and the price is 395 rupees and the quantity which you will be getting is 3 ml. So this is how the packaging looks, and this is the lipstick. This is how the shade look, and if we talk about the quality, this is long lasting, smudge proof, give the matte finish to your lips and will not dry your lips also. Last product which I have received in my MyGlam beauty box. So basically it's a nail paint in the shade Matte by Felicia. I don't know how to pronounce this name. And if we talk about the price is 220 rupees and the ml which you'll be getting and the quantity which you'll be getting is 7 ml. So this is how the shade looks, and it will give a matte finish to your nails also, as it is a matte nail paint. So this is how it looks. Guys, if you want to buy any of this product from MyGlam, or if you want to buy any of the Manish Malhotra's product, you can head to the link in my bio, or you can use my coupon code to get 60% off on MyGlam or Manish Malhotra's product. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you guys like the video. If yes, then do like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you want to ask something, you can comment down in the comment section, or you can message me on Instagram and Facebook. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.